Hello. This short video explanation is going to discuss how General Buford's cavalry brigade was able to hold off overwhelming Confederate forces during the first day of battle in the Battle of Gettysburg. And the key idea that I would like to talk to you about is superior location. The day before the Battle of Gettysburg began, Buford scouted out the area and determined that there was going to be an important battle taking place in this area, and he also recommended that the Union Army did not leave this area because of that. The reason why this location was important was because this led to a direct route to Washington, D.C., which could have led to a Confederate invasion of the United States Capitol during that time. So Buford pretty much worked everything out in his head and decided that this was going to be the important area. And he laid out his limited brigade at McPherson's Ridge right before Hare's Ridge. He anticipated that the Confederate Army would be coming through this area from Chambersburg Pike, and he actually predicted quite accurately. So Buford set up his two brigades, led by Colonel Devon and Colonel Gamble, right between the two areas, right between either side of Chambers Pike, with Caliph and his artillery in the front. And the purpose was to hold off this overwhelming force until support came from the south. That meant that this area had to be held for about 2 to 3 hours. Luckily, Buford was successful during that time and did receive support. The reason why this battle was important because it decided who was going to have the advantage during this battle. I would recommend that you use this information to set up your troops in a similar fashion. This will require you to be able to understand what is going to be the favorable location or the favorable area as far as geography is concerned. In this particular case, we're going to try to put our troops along McPherson's Ridge and repel or defend the Confederate troops coming directly at the Union troops. If you are successful, then when the game ends, you should receive 1,000 points or more. If you are not successful in this attempt, then you will receive less than 1,000 points. Either way, this will be a good opportunity for you to determine why this particular battle is important and how did it lead to the Union strategy for the following 2 days. You'll be able to use Wikipedia. You'll also look at several snippets of a video from the movie Gettysburg. In addition, you'll read short passages from the book Killer Angels in order to make the best decisions as far as strategy is concerned and in order to give you an opportunity to predict what would be the best move in future battles.